Hello guys, welcome to this video. You probably clicked on this video because you want to install mods and it's saying failed. I know, I don't do that. I felt that. I went through it and it was not that good. So what I mean by that is that you guys want mods, maybe this. It's a heart. As you can see, it's a heart instead of an actual potion, which is a pretty cool mod. I will be putting some aesthetic or one of my favorite mods that I have. I literally have 15. I will probably do a lot more mods. Anyway, you probably also want furniture mods, like a fridge that I can just put right here. Oh, let me see. Yeah, you see, fridge. You probably want stuff like that, or you need this little furniture maker for the cutter. So I'll be telling you guys how to do that. Let's just get straight into this. I'm sorry I've been talking, and I can also do a tutorial how to make the furniture load or something like that. I know a lot of people have been going through where it wouldn't load properly like this. It would just be a random block. I can tell you guys how to fix that. So yeah, let's get straight on to this video. Okay guys, so here's how to fix it. So you probably hear you download it. It says download. Sometimes you want to open it in Minecraft, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Let's just say this one doesn't work. So we are gonna go to more. So once we click more, we're probably gonna want to save to files. So just save to files. After you do that, find the one that you just saved. So instead of taking it to your Minecraft, press on it and put share. Share it to the notes and save it. You can see it's in our notes. So we're gonna share it again because we gotta share it. Share it straight to Minecraft, and as you see, it's loading. And it successfully loaded. So after that, your item should be there. I'm really hoping that it's there. I downloaded a shader or something, pretty sure. So that's why I don't have an item. But let's just say I got something different. Let's say if I got a hat. Well, I'm gonna go over there, go to my helmet, and look at that, it's right there. It changed all my inventory. So yeah, I think that's a pretty cool shader. Pretty nice. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like. Oh no, it took away my heart potion. Anyway, thank you guys for watching.